Hi, hello. Welcome to our Igbo lesson. Today we'll be learning how to some Igbo greetings, how we greet in Igbo language, and I'll be teaching us how to say some greetings in Igbo. Now we're going to be starting with um, good morning. Good morning in Igbo language. It says Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon in Igbo language means ehihie ọma. Good evening. Good evening in Igbo language means mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Then we have good night. When you say someone tells you good night in Igbo language, it means kachifo. Kachifo. Now you can say hello, hi. How do we say it in Igbo language? Hello, hi means ndewo. Ndewo. If it's one person, you say ndewo. If you are more than one person, you say ndewono. Ndewono. Now there are some other people that says dalokwa. Dalokwa. Dalokwa and ndewo are the same thing. You can also say dalokwa no. So ndewo, hello, hi, ndewo for one person, ndewo for more than two persons. So in Igbo language, when you want to tell somebody hi, hello, you say ndewo or ndewonu when they are more than two persons. When they are more than one person. Now when you want to say how are you? How are you in Igbo language? You say kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. And you are responding, you said I am fine. Adem mma. In Igbo language you say Adem mma. Kedu ka imere. How are you? Adem mma. I am fine. Or you can say Odemma. Odemma is another way you can say I am fine, or it literally means Odemma, it is fine. Now we now say how's your family? How is your family in Igbo language? Kedu ka ezinụlọ gị mere? Kedu ka ezinụlọ gị mere? In Igbo language. Now, whenever you hear the word kedu, you know that a question is coming. Usually start with a question. Kedu means there's a question coming. And again, there's something you need to know about kedu. In Igbo language, we use the word kedu to ask how are you. You can, instead of saying kedu ki mere, you can just tell the person kedu, and that is how are you. But to say it the way it is, literally you tell the person how are you. That is kedu ka imere. Now let's talk about introducing yourself. What is your name? What is your name? In Igbo language it says kedu aha gị. You can say kedu aha gị or gịnị bụ aha gị. Kedu aha gị. Gịnị bụ aha gị. Two of them are the same, meaning what is your name? And then you are responding, you are saying aha m bụ. You are responding, you are saying aha m bụ Nancy. That is, my name is Nancy. Aha m bụ Nancy. That is, my name is Nancy.